A brand new smile would mean almost literally everything. It affects me more than most people know. How are we getting home today?
Car.
Who's picking y'all up?
Gamma.
Yeah. My name's Brianna Cook. I think technically it's Brianna, but like my whole life growing up, everyone's called me Brianna. I kind of like that one better, I think.
We wanted someone that had obstacles to get through, someone looking to grow.
5 years when I last smiled in a picture.
A lot of our applicants, it was purely cosmetic. She was having trouble eating.
And I went from 175 pounds to 120. It really hurts. Like I can't even eat without my teeth just shattering in my mouth.
The health aspect was a very big impact on why we chose her.
My middle son, he tells me all the time, Mommy, your teeth are so nasty. I hate your smile. And he doesn't understand because he's 6. But like that really hurts my feelings.
Every day there are people hurting and we've just got to start loving on each other somewhere.
I look really sick and people tell me all the time that I'm on like drugs because of how skinny I am and because of the way that my teeth look. I've never done a drug in my life. It's just hard.
I think that's pretty much it for today. I think Dr. Winslow has just like one other thing that she maybe need to talk to you about.
Awesome.
So we double check on that and make sure there's nothing else that she needs me to do.
Great.
And then I think that's it.
Perfect.
I'll be right back.
Thank you.
All right, we got all of our records.
Yes, ma'am.
And I'm here to tell you, you have been selected as our small makeover.
Thank you.
You're so welcome.
I'm excited. I'm just really nervous. My anxiety's high. I'm sweating and I feel like I'm gonna throw up. My middle son, he's really excited. He keeps telling me he can't wait for me to have my teeth fixed.
On the upper, she has posterior teeth and she's missing anterior teeth. On the lower, she has anterior teeth, she's missing posterior teeth. That, occlusion-wise, is a nightmare because anytime she's chewing, she's putting all the force on her lower front teeth against that partial on the upper that has no tooth supporting it. I'm very, very big on getting the gums healthier before we start the restorative work. We're doing what's called a deeper cleaning. We clean all the bacteria out from below the gum line, make things healthier. The second phase is going to be getting out some of the teeth that just can't be fixed. So I do have a surgeon that's helping me with that, and that way we can get them all done at one time. Awesome. I'm going to send this scan to Oral Arts. They're going to create digitally a smile for us, and then we go into actually creating that smile for you.
My name is Mark Mathias. I am the Select Department Supervisor. Offering something that is life-changing for a patient is always a thrill to be involved with. The expectation of what the final is going to be and how it's going to impact her life is really rewarding to us. PIA film was chosen for reason of potential failure in the anterior region. Having a long span ponyx between abutted teeth is a limitation that zirconia has. With PIA film, since you have a metal framework, you can span greater distance and be confident that it's not going to fail. And then on the lower aspect, we needed to have some precision attachments there. I know some other labs have done precision attachments in zirconia, but the rate of failure is much higher rather than PIA film. So we wanted to make sure that we chose the most appropriate restorative materials to make sure that this restoration lasts a lifetime for her.
Before this process, my smile didn't really mean anything to me. Like I tried to hide it. I just felt gross. And now it means more than I can put into words, honestly. Like it's given me so much confidence in myself and everything that I'm doing. I've always been anxious, just in general, anxious. I don't like showing people, I didn't like showing people my teeth.
I know dentists give, we give a lot, but this is different where you take someone from their point of absolute unhealth and take them to complete health. I have never done anything to this magnitude.
The pain definitely controlled aspects of my life. I wasn't as happy as I am now. That's for sure.